Hi everyone, here is the topic of discovery. I hope you like it.
Whoa!
อีนี่มึงคือนอนได้ตับมึงสิบ่ฟงออกมาบ่โอ้ยมึงเรียนยิมนาสติกติมึงบ่ปวดเอวติมึงนอนหลับจังใดHere he comes.
Guys, I cannot believe this just happened. You have to try this. Trust me. Take a water bottle. Any water bottle, right? Just water. Fill all your pockets with AA. That's very important. Literally every single pocket, just fill it with AA batteries. Grab one of these like big extension cords, put it on your neck, and grab a polo mitt, but keep the wrapper on. Don't take the wrapper off. Tuck it in the side of your cheek. Watch what happens. This is insane. Look. It just stops. Look, there's like no gravity.
Starters orders now. There's the red light, and they're off and racing. White Supremacy got out to an early start, so did Blue Lagoon. Purple People leader just on the outside. White Supremacy still leading. A length and a half back was Black Boy, Orange Tango as well, and Red Rum not even moving at all right there. White Supremacy pushing towards the finish, but Orange Tango just getting out in head. Orange Tango leading the way. A good length there now. And Purple People leader's coming up second. Black Boy's going to get second here. And it's in. But what's Purple People leader doing? Oh no, there's been a fall in the inaugural Castle Del Reinke race. Oh.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share the video. See ya.
Buena,